Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a wall in the Planner 5D. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in planner5d.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D to know, of course, and then you just need to go. Of course, if you don't have an account, you can go and register. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. We have, as you can see, the product, the resources, we have the enterprise and the pricing. We also have in the top corner, as you can see, everything about your profile, your products, and everything here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a wall in Planner 5D. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to add a wall, you need to go into a project. So for instance, let's go to this apartment here. Now, when the project loads, you can get it in 2D and 3D. The 2D is much easier for things like this. After that, you just need to go to the left side. As you can see, you have the search, you have the build, furnish, outdoor, my items again, and import 3D. What you need to do is go and of course click on build. And here, as you can see, you have the draw walls. You can click on draw walls and then just put the wall wherever you want by clicking on the wall, as you can see, and releasing your finger. And that's how you can actually go and build a wall. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Of course, as always, guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.